Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, developer options enabled and USB debugging on. Plug the device with a known USB cable to the PC. Choose file transfer mode if prompted. Once connected, open Android Studio and check Tools SDK Manager to verify platform tools installed. Then open Terminal or use the Run menu to list devices with a DB devices. This verifies the physical link. If the device appears, you're ready to select it as a run target. If not, stay here and inspect drivers. Once a DB lists the device as unauthorized, look at your phone and accept the RSA prompt to let this computer debug your device. If you don't see the prompt, revoke USB debugging authorizations and replug the cable. This forces a fresh handshake. For advanced flow, run a DB TCPIP 5555 to enable wireless debugging, then a DB Connect device IP 5555 to attach over Wi-Fi. This avoids cable issues, but ensure both devices are on the... To finish, pick your device from the target device selector in Android Studio and press Run. The IDE installs the APK and launches the app, while Logcat shows runtime messages for quick verification. If installation fails, clean and rebuild the project, then retry. Common troubleshooting: update or reinstall OEM USB drivers, try a different USB cable or port, run a DB kill server and a DB start server, or reboot the phone. If wireless fails, temporarily return to USB to reauthorize and stabilize the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.